Hi, I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates. I just recently was asked a question by a client. Jeff, what is a power of attorney? I hear all about it. I hear you express it. I hear you talk about it. I hear that you've even gone as far to say that you believe that a financial power of attorney is the most important document that everybody should have. But, I really don't understand it. What is it? Well, a power of attorney is a document that basically authorizes somebody else to make decisions on your behalf. So if you are not able to, if you are out of the country, if you are incapacitated, if you just really don't want to have to get in the car to go to the bank, you can authorize another individual called an agent so that they can make decisions on your behalf or to assist you. Now, when you're talking about powers of attorney, you're talking about two primary powers of attorney. There are typically financial powers of attorney and there are typically medical powers of attorney. Now, I separate those in my documents. I make them two separate documents for several reasons. Probably the simplest of which is that I don't really feel that it's any of the business of the financial side, what you're doing on your healthcare side and your end of life decisions, and vice versa. I don't necessarily think that it's any business of the other way as well. So we separate them for that reason. We also separate them because oftentimes people will want to name two different individuals. So you may have a daughter who is really good at financial stuff, and maybe they're a financial advisor, or maybe just they're really good with money. And your son, on the other hand, maybe he's not quite as good with money, and maybe he has a background in the healthcare field. So I don't like to lock people into having to pick, or choose a financial power of attorney if maybe they would want somebody different. And finally, you really want to make sure that those powers are full and that you're fully describing everything in detail. So nobody wants to carry around, a 25, 30-page document. So separating them can definitely help as well. So if you have a power of attorney in place, particularly on the financial side, and you lose your ability to make decisions for yourself, that will avoid the problem or the issue of having to go into a guardianship hearing in a court and have a judge appoint somebody as a guardian, which a guardian actually takes away a person's ability to make decisions for themselves. So that power of attorney is going to be so important to avoid having to put your family through that emotional strife and all of that emotion and cost that comes along with a guardianship. So those are some of the basic reasons why I recommend a power of attorney. I hope you found this helpful. If you want to learn a little more about us, check us out on the web at www.bellomoassociates.com or give us a call at 717-845-5390. Look forward to working with you in the future. Have a great day.